I'm gonna make my magic garden. Look, the first thing I'm going to plant is a giant sunflower. Seeds are like tiny sleeping treasures. To wake them up, they need 3 magic things: soil, sun, and water.
First, we plant the seed and water it every day. Deep in the moist, dark soil, the seed swells and cracks open. A tiny white root emerges and grows downwards. As the roots reach down for water, the tiny sprout pushes up toward the bright sunlight.
I planted my seeds right here, and now I'm giving them a little drink of water. Soon, they'll grow into big, beautiful plants. Look at all the raindrops! I got one. Look, everyone! Look how big my sunflower grew. I'm so proud of it. All that patience and care really paid off. Just like our plants, we grow big and strong when we have the right ingredients and a little bit of time. Thanks for helping me in the garden today, friends. What are you going to plant in your magic garden? See you next time!